Hello again. This is Professor Prabhat Ranjan back again with another story. The story title this time is Aadi, the Science Wizard. The story is published by Nanaji Publications. Please subscribe to the channel so that you get the notification when the next story is published. The story begins. Once upon a time, in a tranquil suburban neighborhood, there lived a 10-year-old boy named Aadi. Aadi was an extraordinary young lad with insatiable curiosity and unquenchable thirst for knowledge. His room was a treasure trove of scientific wonders, filled with test tubes, beakers, and gadgets of all shapes and sizes. Aadi had earned a reputation among his classmates as a science wizard. One bright morning, Aadi's class received an exciting assignment from their teacher, Mrs. Mitchell. They were to create science projects to showcase to the class at the end of the month. Aadi's heart swelled with excitement. This was his opportunity to dazzle everyone with his scientific prowess. Aadi delved into his work with unbridled enthusiasm. His first project was a model rocket that soared in the sky, leaving streaks of color behind as it parachuted safely to the ground. The rocket's liftoff was a spectacular display, and his classmates couldn't believe their eyes. For his next project, Aadi constructed an intricate Rube Goldberg machine. It was a mesmerizing contraption that performed a series of complex tasks with a single push of a button. The machine dropped marbles, set off dominoes, and even played a soothing melody on a tiny xylophone. His classmates watched in awe as it unfolded before them. But Aadi's experiments did not stop there. He built a model of futuristic city powered entirely by clean energy sources, complete with miniature wind turbines and solar panels. His classmates admired his vision for a greener world. As news of Aadi's remarkable experiments spread throughout the school, even the older students sought his advice for their science projects. Aadi gladly shared his knowledge, believing that science was a gift meant to be shared. With each passing day, Aadi's experiments became more ambitious. He created a working model of a sustainable ecosystem, demonstrating the delicate balance of nature. Aadi's classmates marveled at his ability to bring science to life. One day, Aadi overheard his teacher discussing the upcoming school science fair with the principal. Mrs. Mitchell suggested that Aadi should represent their school in the competition. The principal wholeheartedly agreed, and Aadi was overjoyed. Aadi poured his heart and soul into his science fair project. He developed a machine that could turn ordinary air into pure, drinkable water using a revolutionary filtration system. It was a marvel of innovation, and it had the potential to change the lives of people in water-scarce regions. On the day of the science fair, Aadi's project stood out among the rest. He passionately explained his invention to judges, teachers, and fellow students. Everyone marveled at the potential impact of his creation on the world. When the winners were announced, Aadi's name was called as the grand champion of the science fair. His classmates erupted in cheers, and even his teachers couldn't contain their excitement. Aadi's experiments had not only amazed but also inspired those around him. As he lay in bed that night, Aadi realized that his love for science wasn't just about astounding people with incredible experiments. It was about using science to make the world a better place. With that noble purpose in his heart, he drifted off to sleep, dreaming of future experiments that would change the world and ignite the spark of scientific curiosity in others, just as he had done for his classmates and teachers. And so, Aadi's scientific journey continued, filled with wonder, exploration, and the belief that a 10-year-old boy could make a difference with the power of science and imagination. And that's the end of the story. We'll be coming back soon with another story. Thank you.